evaluating and elevating the quality of Indonesian coconut sugar towards global competitiveness and export. Study of suppliers coconut sugar in Java by Yusuf Ahmad Rizky Maulana. Based on the result of their literature review, Indonesia, as a tropical country, has abundant coconut sugar. This wealth has been utilized by the Indonesian people and even at the international level. Several studies have also discussed coconut sugar in Indonesia. From there, the researcher tried to understand more about the quality factors of coconut sugar, which, of course, will influence export failure. From the background of the existing problem, researchers tried to research for data collecting information related to the quality of coconut sugar. From several data taken from samples, researchers found that coconut sugar from Indonesia has different standards from international standard. Coconut sugar produced by Indonesia has several content that exceed the maximum limit of the content that should be internationally or normally accepted by countries receiving coconut sugar export. This turns out to be influenced by the production process carried out by suppliers or producers of coconut sugar in Indonesia. The production process, the time in each process, and the temperature used are influenced that change the amount of coconut sugar content in Indonesia. And for the research question, the researcher formulate this research into two research question and objective to be researched and answered. To find out in detail regarding the quality of coconut sugar in Java, Indonesia that affect market expectation according to international standard, to analyze the most appropriate strategy for increasing marketability and performance of coconut sugar in the export process. And for the objective, the writer will formulate a propose for the researcher based on the research question that have been developed, which are as follows. To find out in detail regarding the quality of coconut sugar in Java, Indonesia that affect market expectation according to international standard, and also to analyze the most appropriate strategy for increasing marketability and performance of coconut sugar in export process. And for the methodology, the researcher used qualitative methodology to gather data from many samples of coconut sugar producing enterprise in Indonesia. Researcher will analyze the data obtained from this comparison in order to determine the average quality of coconut sugar from Java and compare it to the higher requirement set by international regulation. This study employs an interview procedures are as a standard against which all protocols used in each complete interview are compared. Phase 1 is collect detailed coconut sugar data from all producers. Phase 2 is limiting the data into coconut sugar ingredient, time need to process, step-by-step manufacturing process. Phase 3 is calculating the data and comparing with international data. Phase 4 is getting feedback from the comparison data. And the last one is draw conclusion from the final result from the data that has been processed to form a quality improvement strategy. Researcher took research from a journal of the Philippine National Standard Coconut sap sugar specification, which has been standardized by the Bureau of Agriculture and Fisheries Standard. From the research, the writer formulating some question about the content that affecting the quality of coconut sugar. One is how many sucrose level in the coconut sugar that produced, how many fructose level, how many glucose level, how many water level, and also how many ash level in the coconut sugar that produced. Some of the samples I took in Java, on average, they have sucrose level that have met the standard. The fructose level produced are also in the standard range. The glucose level produced are also in accordance with the standard glucose level in coconut sugar. However, for the ash content, coconut sugar produced in Java, they are still not in accordance with the existing standard. The ash content that the ash content in their coconut sugar exceed the limit that should be seen according to the coconut sugar standard table. This ash level affect the residue produced when the product is used, which when built up too much will have a bad impact on the turbidity of the coconut sugar used. The following question is made by researchers to know how they make the coconut sugar. What is detailed process for making coconut sugar at the company, and also is there any particular differences or something special and different about making coconut sugar in this company? As a result of the finding of interview with 2 questions about the process of creating coconut sugar and the variation in the process from one business to another that supplies coconut sugar, it was discovered that many companies that offer coconut sugar use the same way in their production process. There are rationale behind each of these identical procedures. This rationale is based on the fact that altering the process creates the possibility of failure in the production of coconut sugar, which will have a negative effect on them. The thing that caused the instability of ash production is influenced by the burning process that is too long. The transfer process from the burning that takes time causes coconut sugar to accidentally experience burning that exceeds the time it should. Researchers also make some questions following the export process of coconut sugar. One is, according to the supplier, what failure that the supplier experienced in the export process, and also what are difficulties for suppliers to export. From the question, the researcher find that in a nutshell, the difficulty of bringing the quality of coconut sugar products in line with international standards offers a difficult conundrum for the providers. It is widely acknowledged that there is a need to elevate standards in order to fulfill the expectation of the global community. Yet, there are considerable obstacles in the form of worries over higher operating expenses and price competitiveness. To achieve success in exporting coconut sugar, Javanese supplier of coconut sugar should prioritize the establishment of standardized guidelines governing the ingredients and production process of coconut sugar. By implementing clear and comprehensive standards, Javanese supplier can ensure consistency and quality in coconut sugar product, thus enhancing their competitiveness in the international market. The standards should encompass key parameters such as sucrose, fructose, glucose, water, and ash level, aligning with global quality benchmark while accommodating the unique characteristic of Indonesian coconut sugar. Rigorous enforcement of this standard, coupled with robust quality control measure and industry-wide adherence, will not only bolster consumer confidence but also strengthen their reputation as a reliable source of premium coconut sugar. Moreover, such standard can facilitate market access, streamline export procedures, and ultimately drive sustainable growth in the coconut sugar industry. Thank you.